Accomplished. We got plants and chicken and biscuits. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, the plant shop's right next to a vegan chicken and biscuit place named Winter Park Biscuit Co. So we got chicken and biscuits. It's one of my favorite places to eat at. So I'm going munch on that. And I got these really cool shoe insert things that I'm gonna show later. We got a spider plant and a few other guys. You can go pee. Did you pee on the floor? Yeah. Okay. We gotta go pee. Come on. Come on. Let's go pee. Let's go pee. We're gonna go pee. Come on. Let's go pee. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go pee. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go party. Let's go. I'm literally so hungry I could like fall over. You know that scene in Twilight where Bella like is super purgante with the demon baby and she like drops the cup of blood and then she like kneels down to get it and then she like falls backward and she breaks her spine in half and then breaks her knees. Yeah, it feels like me right now. If I like bend over to pick up a cup of blood, I'll break my spine.
Don't put that in!
That's nap time, besties.
I didn't say that.
She didn't say that. It's redacted. You guys are going to be wondering what she said, but you won't know. You'll just have to fill in the blanks.
Oh, I really don't like it today.
You don't like it today? The chicken? Interesting. I'm personally offended by that. Bridget got this creepy ass chair from a thrift store. And she like removed the paint off it and she's been trying to vacuum it and stuff like that and the water just keeps coming out black and I'm like, shit's haunted. Shit's haunted. I'll show it to you guys. I've had it for like 3 days and I swear to God I hear it like rocking outside in the garage every now and again. Excuse me, doggies. Hold on. Excuse me. This shit's haunted. That's creepy. Like she was like, oh, I love this chair so much, it's so good. I'm like, I'm touching that shit. I don't know if I need to sage this shit or call that Zach dude from Ghost Hunters or something like that, but it's gotta go. Maybe I'd take it to the lake in the middle of the night or something like that and drown it. That's how you get ghosts though. I don't know what to do. Good morning. It's so humid that I can't even record outside. Every time I wipe my lens, it just fogs right back up. I can't even use the LCD screen on my camera because the viewfinder is so fogged up that it thinks it's someone looking through it. No. Stinky doggy, no touch the coffee. No. Hello? Feeling very exhausted. I'm gonna go to the plant store. I'm gonna look at some plants. Hopefully find some plants that I really like and bring them home because we just went and I found a few that I wanted but I wasn't sure about it, so now I'm gonna go back and just kind of like re-go through them again, and if they still have the ones that I wanted then I'll probably end up buying those, maybe like a little treat or something like that, but I really want to get like the string of hearts over there because they look really cool and apparently they're not the most difficult to take care of. My room's temperature and humidity is kind of perfect for them anyway, so I'm looking forward to that. Yeah, I went for my run this morning and it kind of wasn't a great run. I took off 10% off my rear foot and put 10% onto my midfoot, and so there's like a guided run session to help fix your foot striking. I I definitely noticed my Achilles wasn't hurting as bad today, so I think that 10% like helped alleviate quite a bit. So it'll be amazing to see what like more 50% would do or something. But the Nerve app has like guided runs. I hate running with my phone, but you need your phone with you to get the guidance from the app and everything. So I'm gonna have to do that. I just don't like running with people, like the robot, like telling you what to do in your ear. You know, it's just like interrupting your music. You're in the zone, like a breakdown's about to come on in a heavy song. Mile, 0.5. The fuck? It's so freaking hot outside though. I don't even think I'm gonna be able to record anything in the plant store this time because it's like 85% humidity outside. All of our windows are like completely fogged up. And it's just absolutely ridiculous. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to take my camera out at all because the lens just keeps fogging up, as you guys saw earlier, and who knows. Freaking Florida, dude. Hey, hey, what's up? Just listening to emo music, drinking coffee again. What about you? Anyway, the plant babies are in the car. They had, oh god, I just realized I got bit by, dude, oh my god. Just realized I got bit by like 6 mosquitoes on my shin tattoo. Not new, but technically like finished shin tattoo. That's why it's so damn itchy. I was like, dude, it's been peeling for like a week now. This should stop being itchy now. And I realized I got bit by like 6 mosquitoes on it, so that's good. It's probably from when I ran in the rain, honestly. But the plant babies are home. I'll do like a little beauty shot when I get back to the house. So yeah, just grabbing potatoes because we're gonna make Welsh rarebit. Well, I'm gonna make Welsh rarebit potatoes. I hope you click that like button, Nest quickly. Anyway, dude, so I'm back home. We got the pants. The pants are safely secured. The dogs are doing dog things. And I'm trying to think of names. I've never been one to name my plants. I know that's kind of like a big thing for some people. Bridget names all of her plants. I have not named mine ever. But for some reason, I'm getting plant naming vibes with this Hoya. I'm thinking something like Geraldine or Bernadine or something like that, like some sort of old name that is not really used anymore. And I don't know, the Calathea, which Bridget said was pretty difficult. She remembers it being very difficult to take care of from when she looked it up. But I looked it up and it said they're pretty easy to take care of. So I just think it's really freaking cool. Like the Calathea is really cool, but I want to name it something like Holy, because it's also called the prayer plant, I'm pretty sure is what I remember researching about it. So I want it to be something like Holy, like Francis. Not Francis, but you know, something old, like old-timey, like church-y. I don't know, like some like old conquistador church person or something like that. I don't fucking know. So where my mind goes, I can't wait to get a haircut as well. I'm sick of the mullet. I really, really am. I'm super sick of it. It's just so annoying to take care of. I'm just gonna cut it off. We're gonna leave everything else the same length, and I'm just growing it the heck back out again. So I'm really excited about that. Plus, it just, dude, like I gotta always style it. I hate styling my hair so much. I think that's why I vibed with my long hair so much. I don't know why I cut it. But yeah, I'm also really, really stoked about the string of hearts. I hope that I can take care of it really, really well. My goal is to have it grow like crazy because it's a baby right now. It's a tiny little string of hearts child, and I really, really want to see it to flourish and grow, and be the best string of hearts that I can be, because I've seen some really, really cool looking string of hearts that are just completely overgrown, just falling like a cascade of hearts out of the pot and everything, and I don't know, really, really cool. Yep. That's all I gotta say about that. So my thing with those potatoes is like the only time I can rationally see myself making them is like I'm like some crotchety old man now, and I'm just like, oh, Kathy, look what I can do with my fingers. Wait. Just try that again. You know, you're just trying to, my point is you're just trying to show off to like your neighbor or something like that. Like, hey, can you do this with your hands? But you can't. Look, I'm gonna burn my hands on potatoes with hot oil on it. For no reason. That's my whole thing with it. It's just like, it's 2 hours. Why did I put that much effort in when I could have just made mashed potatoes? Like, it's just like show off food. Like, they're just show off potatoes. Okay, so I think the general consensus. Hello, ma'am. Have you filled out your census report today? You still don't like cameras, huh? I'm sorry, bud. General consensus is the potatoes are just glorified mashed potatoes, and it was definitely not worth the time or the effort because that was like 2.5 hours to make, and it was stupid. I'm sorry, bud. Do I bore you?